My name is Brooke from Teach Over the Rainbow, and if you're on the fence about what type of heat press you want to get for your small business, you need to check out this video where we're going to compare the TrueSpec Series to the Heat Press Nation Signature Series. So when production for my small business started to increase and I needed to push out more orders, I had a really great experience with Heat Press Nation with their customer and tech support. And so when I needed to go ahead and upgrade my heat press, I decided to go with Heat Press Nation and get a Signature Series heat press. When I needed to upgrade my press and production started increasing even more, I decided to go with the TrueSpec Series double station heat press. Because particularly with clipboards, they are double-sided, I cannot press the second side of my clipboard until the first side is completely cooled. The same goes for direct to film. You have to pre-press a shirt, then you have to press the film onto the shirt, then you need to let it cool, and then you need to go ahead and press it again. So having that double station available for those clipboards or those shirts that have a double press type of situation, that TrueSpec double station works perfect for that. Going from the single station with the Signature Series, I didn't realize how much work I was putting into using the manual close versus just pushing the button. It is so much easier and I feel like it's less taxing on me. While it doesn't feel like at the moment when you're just using that manual press, it doesn't feel like a big deal until you get the auto close and you get to push those buttons and you just kind of can stand there and it does all the work for you. Another difference that I've noticed between the Signature Series and the TrueSpec Series is the beefiness of it. Right away, you can tell that there's a beefy difference. Just the thickness of the metal, the weight of the difference is pretty significant. Particularly when you're going to engage the press down, you can feel the difference. There's just a stoutness and a beefiness to that TrueSpec Series that would really be able to handle the amount of high volume over a longer period of time and can get you a more consistent outcome when you're talking about mass production of products and orders. When I'm sending products out to my customers, I want to make sure that they look pristine. I know that I'm going to get that consistent outcome when I'm using the Signature Series for a few different reasons, particularly when it comes to the auto open sure pressure dial. That sure pressure dial that I have, I can jump from one product to the next with a quick change of a knob, and I don't have to do any second guessing on the outcome of what my product is going to look like because I've kept those notes on record about what number goes with which different product. And so I can hop from one thing to the next super seamlessly, and it makes everything really fast for me. Bottom line, starting out with the Signature Series was perfect for my business needs. It did what I needed to do, and that TrueSpec is really going to take care of those more commercial type needs when you're pushing out a lot of volume of orders. When you're talking about price with a small business, you always want to ask yourself, am I going to grow into this or am I going to grow out of that? That's a really big point that I always talk to people who are starting a small business. If you're thinking, I'm going to probably grow out of this within a year, my suggestion would be to save that money for a little while longer and buy something that you can grow into instead of something that you will grow out of. If you're interested in anything from Heat Press Nation, whether it's a printer or a press, you can always reach out to them and you're gonna get a real person on the phone within minutes. If you have any questions, you can always ask me in DMs or send me an email. If you wanna take that jump and you're ready to order, you can go to heatpressnation.com/teachovertherainbow.